A robot arm PQ with the end coordinate P 0, 0, that is the origin, and Q 2, 5 rotate counterclockwise about the point P in XY plane by 90 degree. The new coordinate pair of the end Q you have to calculate. So let's represent here the robot arm PQ. The point P is at origin, that is 0, 0, and we have 2, 5 is the point Q. And we want to rotate this point Q, which has a x coordinate equal to 2, y coordinate equal to 5 by an counterclockwise direction by 90 degree. So rotation angle theta is equal to 90, and we have to find out the new position of the point Q prime, that equal to x prime, and y prime we have to calculate. Now since here the point P already at origin, we do not require any type of translation, only the rotation we have to carry out of the point Q about the origin, that is same as point P. The rotation matrix is given as cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. So only one step is required to transform the point Q to point Q prime. So we'll use here homogeneous system. In that case, we have Q prime will be equal to Q multiplied by the rotation matrix equal to R. In this case, we have Q prime is same as equal to x prime, y prime, then 1. The coordinate of Q is 2, 5, 1. And we have rotation matrix is cos theta is cos of 90. Sin of 90, sin of 90 is 1, cos of 90 is 0, we have 0, minus sin of 90, cos of 90, 0, and finally we have 0, 0, 1. So we have 2, 5, 1, cos of 90 is 0, sin of 90 is 1, so we have minus 1, 0, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, 0, we have 0, 0, 1. So we have 2 into 0 is equal to 0, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 1 into 0 is plus 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. That is, we get here minus 5, then 2, and then 1. So we'll get a final coordinate as x prime is equal to minus 5, and we have y prime is equal to plus 2. So using the rotation matrix, we can find out here the final point. So we can locate this final point exactly now. This one is Q prime, is x distance is minus 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is minus 5, and y is equal to 2. Has a coordinate of minus 5, comma, y is equal to 2. So this one is the rotation of the arm PQ in an anticlockwise sense by 90 degrees. The vertices of a rectangle PQRS are as follow. In a 2D CAD system, we have P is minus 4 minus 2, Q minus 2 minus 3, R minus 3 minus 5, S minus 5 minus 4. The coordinate of the corresponding new vertices P prime, Q prime, R prime, S prime after translation of the rectangle along the x-axis in a positive direction by 6 units and along the y direction in the positive direction by 3 units we have to find out. So this one is a purely example of translation, and we have Tx, that is the translation along the x direction is 6 unit, that is positive, so we have plus 6, and we have Ty is equal to 3 units but positive, so we have plus 3. So we have x prime is same as equal to x plus Tx, that is x plus 6, and we have y prime is equal to y plus Tx is same as equal to y plus 3 unit. So we'll calculate the new point coordinate using the table. We have point is P, Q, R and S. The point P has a coordinate of -4, -2, -4, -2. In that case, we have P prime is x prime. X prime is x plus 6. -4 plus 6 is equal to 2. -2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. Then we have Q is equal to -2 minus 3, -2 minus 3, -2 plus 6. So we have Q prime is equal to -2 plus 6 is 4, and we have -3 plus 3 equal to 0, 4 comma 0. Then we have R is -3 minus 5, -3 minus 5. New point is R prime. -3 plus 6 is plus 3, and -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. And finally we have S is -5 minus 4, -5 minus 4. In that case we have S prime is -5 plus 6 is 1, and -4 plus 3 is equal to -1. 2, 1, 4, 0, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1. 2, 1, 4, 0, 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 1. Choice B is correct choice. The vertices of a triangle PQR are as follow. In a 2D CAD system, we have coordinate of P is 2, 6, coordinate of Q is 8, 10 and coordinate of R is 10, 3. The coordinate of the corresponding new vertices P prime, Q prime, R prime after translation of the triangle along the x-axis in the positive direction by 4 units and along the y-axis in the positive direction by 3 units you have to find out. We have to do the translation along the x-axis in the positive direction by 4 unit. It means that we have Tx is equal to positive 4 unit and Ty is equal to positive 3 units. So we have new coordinate x prime will be equal to x plus Tx. That is we have x plus 4 unit. And we have new coordinate y prime equal to y plus Ty. That is we have y and we have Ty is equal to 3. So this time we will not use the matrix, we will do the simple calculation. We have point is given as P, Q and R. Coordinate of point P is 2, 6. This point after transformation will become P prime. The x coordinate of P prime will be x plus 4. So we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Y prime will be y plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The coordinate of Q is 8, 10. So we have 8, 10. New point will become Q prime. X prime is x plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Then for R, we have coordinate is given as 10, 3. So we have 10, 3. New point will become R prime. We have x plus 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Y prime is y plus 3. That is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6, 9. 12, 13, 14, 6. 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 6. Choice A is correct. Here 6, 12 that is wrong. In this case we have 6, 9 is correct, 12, 8 is wrong. 6, 9 is correct, 12, 13 is correct, but 11, 6 is given, so that is wrong. So only correct choice is here, choice A. So this one is a quick method whenever we have the question is asked in GATE examination. A point P phi 2 is rotated about origin in a counterclockwise direction by 45 degree. Find the rotation matrix and the coordinate of point P after transformation. So in XY graph here we can locate the point P. X coordinate equal to 5, Y coordinate equal to 2. And this point you have to rotate about the point O, that is the origin. So this point is rotated in an anti-clockwise direction by 45 degree. So this point will be rotated by angle equal to theta is equal to 45. We are interested to know what is the coordinate of point P prime, that is value of x prime and value of y prime we are interested, as well as the rotation matrix we are also interested. Since the rotation is carried out about the origin, no translation is required, only the rotation matrix is required. So as we discussed in the theory, if you have any point and this point Pxy is rotated about the point O in an anti-clockwise direction theta, then we can write here the P prime is equal to P into R. We have P prime is same as x prime, y prime, and the P is xy, and we have rotation matrix is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. So we'll use this result here to find out the rotation matrix and the coordinate of point P after transformation. So we'll use a standard result, that is we have P prime is equal to P into R. P prime is a row matrix x prime, y prime. P is also a row matrix x and y. X and y is same as 5, 2. Then we have cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Theta value you have to use as 45. Cos of 45 is 0.707, as well as sin of 45 is also 0.707. So coordinate x is same as equal to 5 and coordinate y is same as equal to 2. All theta value you have to replace by 45. So we have cos of 45, sin of 45, sin of 45 and cos of 45. So we have 5 to cos 45 is same as 0.707. Sin 45 is also 0.707, that is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 but negative value is minus 0.707. Cos 45 is also equal to 0.707. 0.707. So let's carry out the product here. We have 5 into 0.707. So we have 5 into 0.707. 2 into minus. So we have minus 2 into 0.707. Then we have 5 into 0.707, 5 into 0.707. Then we have 2 into 0.707. So we have plus 2 into 0.707. So solve this and you will get your coordinate of x prime, y prime. So we have x prime, y prime will be equal to. So first term here is close to 2.12. Second coordinate is close to 4.95. So after transformation you will get x prime equal to 2.12 and y prime is equal to 4.95. So this one is a new point and we have rotation matrix is same as 0.707, 0.707, minus 0.707 and 0.707. So the coordinate of point P prime will be 2.12, 4.95. A triangle ABC is shown below here. This triangle ABC is shown on x and y graph, is to be scaled in along x direction by 3 unit and along the y direction by 2 unit. We have to find out the coordinate after transformation, that is a prime, b prime, c prime you have to calculate. Now let's record here first what is the coordinate of point A. The coordinate of point A is 1, 1. Coordinate of point B is 6, 1. And coordinate of point C is 4, 5. So we have to do the scaling of this given. We know that here we have Sx, that is a scaling factor along the x-axis is given as 3 unit and the scaling along the y-axis is given as 2 unit. So whenever we do the scaling, in that case we have x prime is given as x multiplied by Sx and we have y prime is given as y multiplied by Sy. Since we have Sx equal to 3, so x prime is same as 3 times of x and we have y prime is equal to Sy, that is 2 times of y. So using the table method we can calculate here the a prime, b prime and c prime. Actually the table method is very quick method. First column we have point, the x coordinate of point, y coordinate of point. After transformation we'll get different point. whose x coordinate is x prime is given as 3 times of x, and y prime has a coordinate equal to 2y. So let's start with A. We have x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 1. After transformation you will get new point as A prime. So we have x prime is 3 multiplied by x. So we have 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. And y prime will be 1 multiplied by 2, that equal to 2. So this point is shifted to 3, 2. Then we have point B, whose x coordinate will be equal to 6, y coordinate equal to 1. After transformation it will become b prime. So we have x prime will be equal to 3 multiplied by x. 3 multiplied by 6 will be equal to 18, and y prime will be equal to 2 multiplied by y, that is 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. As far as the point C is considered, we have x coordinate is equal to 4, y coordinate equal to 5. After transformation you will get a new point equal to C prime. X prime will be equal to 3 multiplied by x, that is 3 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 12, and y prime is 2 multiplied by y, 5 multiplied by 2, that equal to 10. In this fashion we can calculate the new point A prime, B prime and C prime, and their coordinates are also known. The scaling matrix S we can write as, in two dimensional I will write this matrix as Sx, then we have 0, 0 and Sy. So we can very well calculate P prime using P multiplied by S. So in the P prime we need to calculate the coordinate of A, B, C, that is A prime, B prime, C prime. So we have XA, YA, XB, YB, XC, YC. Here you have to write down the coordinate of A. Coordinate of A is same as 1, 1. So we have 1, 1. Coordinate of B is 6, 1. So this time I am showing you how to do the calculation using the matrix. And coordinate of C is 4, 5. We have scaling matrix is Sx equal to 3. Then we have 0, 0, and we have Sy is equal to 2. So in this case we have 3 row and 2 columns, so we'll get 3 by 2 sides. This one also 3 row and 2 column is 3 by 2. We have 2 row and 2 columns, so it's 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 will get cancelled and we'll get the same result as 3 by 2. So let's do the multiplication here. We have 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 0 is same as equal to 3. Then we have first row and second column. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then we have second row, first column. 6 into 3 is 18. 1 into 0 is 0. So we have 18. 6 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then we have 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 0 is 0. So we have 12. 4 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10. So we are getting here same result, 3, 2, 18, 2, 12, 10. So both the method will work fine here. The position vector of point P, which is 20, 10, is rotated anticlockwise in xy plane by an angle equal to 30 degree, such that the point P occupies the position Q as shown in the figure. The coordinate xy of point Q you have to calculate. This entire rotation is taking place about the point O, and the point P will shift to the new position equal to Q. So the point P prime will be same as equal to the coordinate of point Q, and we have to find out the coordinate of point Q. The coordinate of point P is given as 20, 10. Since the rotation is carried out above the origin, so only the rotation matrix is sufficient for us. Already we have done one numerical. Here the point P is shifted to P prime by angle equal to 45. So this result we have to use, that is P prime is equal to P into R. X prime Y prime is equal to X Y cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So we'll do this calculation. So we can calculate here the coordinate of Q, which one is same as equal to P prime. So Q is same as equal to P prime is obtained as P into R. So we have X prime Y prime is equal to XY cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So replace X is equal to 20, Y is equal to 10, theta is equal to 30 degree. So X coordinate is same as equal to 20, Y coordinate equal to 10, all angle theta you have to replace as 30. So we have cos of 30, sin of 30, sin 30 is half and cos 30 is 0.866 minus sin of 30 into cos of 30. So we have 20, 10, cos 30 is same as 0.866, sin 30 is equal to 0.5, sin 30 is minus 0.5 and cos 30 is 0.866. So we have here one row and two columns. So it is 1 by 2 size and this one is 2 by 2 size. So again we'll get here 2 and 2 inner cancel, 1 by 2 matrix will left here. So we have 20 multiplied by 0.866, that is 20 multiplied by 0.866 minus 10 into 0.5. Then we have row multiplied by second column. So we have 20 into 0.5, 20 into 0.5 and plus 10 into 8.866, 10 into 0.86 is 6. So just solve this, you will get here 20 into 0.866 minus 10 into 0.5 is same as equal to 12.32 and 20 into 0.5 is 10 plus 8.66, that will be equal to 18.66. So we have 18.66. Now check our choice, 12.32 and 18.66, choice D is correct. This question is asked in GATE 19 exam. The video you are watching is from the app, which is the Mohod class app available on Google Store. And in this app, we'll cover all subjects involved in mechanical engineering for GATE. Join the course directly from your mobile. The link is given here.